Sennosides are a type of medication used to treat constipation and to clean out the intestines before a bowel examination or surgery. They are classified as stimulant laxatives, and they work by helping to keep water in the intestines, which in turn helps to promote movement in the intestines. It is important to follow the recommended dosage and timing for taking this medication, as advised by your healthcare provider. When taking Evac-U-Gen, it's important to follow the instructions provided by your doctor or on the product package. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you're using the chewable tablets, make sure to chew each tablet thoroughly before swallowing. If you're using the dissolving strips, allow them to dissolve on your tongue and then swallow with or without water. For the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device and not a household spoon. The dosage of Evac-U-Gen is based on your age, medical condition, and how you respond to the treatment. It's important not to increase your dose or take the drug more often than directed. Do not use this medication for more than 7 days unless instructed by your doctor to do so. Overuse of this medication can lead to serious side effects. It may take 6 to 12 hours for Evac-U-Gen to cause a bowel movement. If your condition persists, worsens, or if you experience rectal bleeding, be sure to inform your doctor. If you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. If you experience stomach pain, nausea, diarrhea, or weakness, make sure to let your doctor know. This medication may cause your urine to turn reddish-brown, but it is harmless and will go away once you stop taking the medication. Your doctor has determined that the benefits of taking this medication outweigh the potential side effects. However, if you experience any serious side effects such as persistent nausea, muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat, or difficulty breathing, contact your doctor immediately. While very rare, if you notice any signs of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help right away. If you experience any other effects not listed here, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. Before taking Evac-U-Gen, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have to this medication or similar products. It's important to discuss any inactive ingredients in the product that could potentially cause allergic reactions or other issues. It's also crucial to disclose your medical history, especially if you have had appendicitis or are experiencing symptoms of appendicitis, sudden changes in bowel habits lasting longer than 2 weeks, rectal bleeding, or intestinal blockage. Before undergoing any surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are currently using. If you are using chewable tablets or dissolving strips, be aware that they may contain sugar. If you have diabetes or need to limit your sugar intake for any reason, consult your doctor or pharmacist before using Evac-U-Gen. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss the use of this medication with your doctor as prolonged use during pregnancy is not recommended. Similarly, if you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using Evac-U-Gen, as it can pass into breast milk, although it is unlikely to harm the nursing infant. When taking Evac-U-Gen, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions, which can affect how the medication works and may increase the risk of serious side effects. To minimize this risk, it's crucial to keep a thorough list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important to follow your doctor's guidance and not make any changes to your medication dosage without their approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Evac-U-Gen. If someone has taken too much Evac-U-Gen and is experiencing severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call for emergency help right away. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include persistent nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, as well as severe stomach or abdominal pain. It's important to seek medical attention if you or someone else is experiencing these symptoms after taking Evac-U-Gen. It is important to keep all medical and lab appointments. In order to prevent or relieve constipation, making lifestyle changes such as exercising, drinking enough water, and eating a proper diet with fiber-rich foods like bran, fresh fruits, and vegetables can be helpful. It is always a good idea to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about lifestyle changes that might benefit you. If your doctor has prescribed Evac-U-Gen for you to take regularly and you happen to miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular scheduled time. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It is important to follow your doctor's instructions regarding the timing and dosage of Evac-U-Gen for it to be effective. When it comes to storing your Evac-U-Gen medication, it's important to follow the instructions on the product package or ask your pharmacist. Make sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. And remember, do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed. When your medication is expired or no longer needed, be sure to dispose of it properly. You can consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on the proper way to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.